Last September, NASA's double asteroid redirection test spacecraft smashed into an asteroid, deliberately altering the rock trajectory through space in the first test of planetary defense. Now, science have deconstructed the collision, its aftermath, and learned just how successful humanity punched at the cosmos really was. The Earth, which is the size of a golf cart, collided with a great pyramid-sized asteroid called Dimorphos. The impact caused the asteroid's orbit around another space rock to shrink. Dimorphos, now complete, and orbits 33 minutes faster than before impact. Researchers report today in Nature. This means that if a dangerous asteroid were ever detected heading for Earth, a mission to smash into it would probably be able to drive it away from planet. Such success has been reported before. Now, 5 studies in Nature describe the final moment of a crash and how it affected the asteroid. One group combined data on a spacecraft trajectory with photographs of the asteroid's surface just before impact. As start hot towards the Dimorphos at more than 6 kilometers per second. The first pilot hit was of its solar panels, which smashed into a 6.5 meter wide boulder. Microsecond later, the main body of the spacecraft collided with a rocky surface next to the boulder and a US $330 million shattered to bits.
Last September, NASA's double asteroid direction test spacecraft smashed into an asteroid, deliberately altering the rock's trajectory through space in a first test of planetary defense. Now, scientists have deconstructed the collision and its aftermath, and learned just how successful humanity's punch at the cosmos really was. That, which was the size of a golf cart, collided with a great pyramid-sized asteroid called Dimorphos. An impact caused the asteroid orbit around another space rock to shrink. Dimorphos now completes an orbit 33 minutes faster than before the impact. The researchers report today in Nature. This means that if a dangerous asteroid will ever detect heading for Earth, a mission to smash into it will probably be able to divert it away from the planet. That success had been reported before. Now the 5 studies in the Nature describe the final moments of the crash and how it affected the asteroid. One group combined data on the spacecraft trajectory with photographs of asteroid surface just before impact. As start heard toward Dimorphos at more than 6 million kilometers per second. The first part that hit was one of its solar panels, which smashed into a 6 meter while broader. Microseconds later, the main body of the spacecraft collided, which the rocky surface next to the border, and the US 330 million stars shattered to bits.